Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I am going to show you my Victoria's Secret collection. So if you would like to see that, keep on watching. Okay guys, so if you haven't seen my Bath and Body Works fragrance collection, I will link that in the card at the end. But if you want to see really how, kind of my storage for my Victoria's Secret, that's the beginning of that video because I store them together. And so check that out. And then also, I do not spend time on notes in this video. I'm just going to run through what I have. And if there's anything that you would like to see a dedicated video on, just comment below. So first we have Cool and Bright. This is part of the Victoria Pink line, and it's in their kind of their core collection, so it's always around. Then Lavender Cloud. I actually picked this up in the summer Victoria's Secret SAS, and so it is not around all the time. But so, at the next SAS or just always check around. I haven't seen it. It wasn't in the winter 2022 one, so, just keep checking. Cocoa Mist is always one that right now has been in their signature collection for pink. Paradise Bloom, I picked this up in summer 2022. And then Basic Apple, that has been coming out like every fall time. So if you are watching this video when it's summertime, you probably won't find it at the store, but if you are watching it in the fall time, it might be there. Okay, so Beach Nectar, this came out last summer, and that's when I picked it up. And then there is Pink Fire. So they had this zodiac sign type of collection. So they had one scent for each of the signs. So fire, earth, you know, I'm an Aries, so I smelled this and I actually liked it. And so I picked it up during the SAS. And then they have Tropic Vanilla. So for Tropic Vanilla, the original packaging is this, and I love this. They actually brought this back out this year and they changed the scent slightly. And I like this one better. And I was able to get some backups. So I didn't end up picking up the new packaging because it does smell different to me. I don't dislike it, but I do like this one better. So, but you can get the newer one out right now. Then Bright Mimosa, I picked this up, I want to say summer of 2022. Then Basic Vanilla, I really enjoy this scent. This is a scent like that they bring out every fall. So, and then they just kind of change the packaging. So this will be out again. This is a really nice vanilla. Like it has just that marshmallowy chai scent. It's just lovely. So if it's fall and it's out, you should definitely test it. Okay, so, and I didn't mention, I am going through the ones that are on my little black cart. And again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my Bath and Body Works video. So these are the last two pink ones that I have on that black cart, and it's Fresh and Clean, which is part of Pink's signature collection, and then Warm and Cozy, which is also part of their signature line and is always there. And they bring out flankers of these as well as Cool and Bright, every year. So now getting into the Victoria's Secret mist. So there's Velvet Petals. This is an OG Victoria scent. It is part of their signature line. It's also part of the ones that they always do flankers for every year. Pineapple Cove. This came out, I'm not sure when it came out. I first became exposed to it in 2022 at the first in the summer semi-annual sale and just fell in love with it. Couldn't wait to get it. Sorry, 2021, not 2022. And was looking for it at the semi-annual sale, and then like at the end of the sale actually, that week after when they put out things, I found a whole bunch of them, so I'm super happy. Then there's Coconut Passion. This is also one that's around. If it's not in the store, it will definitely be online. Okay, so then we have Aqua Kiss, also part of the signature collection. So I've seen it in the store more recently, but it is always online. Then I have Sunshine Haze. I think I picked this up in 2021. There was like a floral, they every year they bring out like a more floral kind of collection. This was part of it. Poolside Service just came out in 2023 and it is in stores now. Then Garden View, also really nice and in storage now. This is part of their summer collection. And then I have Island Market. I decided not to get a backup of any of those. So, and then I actually have a video of those as well. So you can check out my Victoria's Secret playlist if you want to know more of my thoughts on this collection. Okay, so then we have Victoria's Secret Rush. This used to be in the stores. It hasn't been for a while. And I don't even know if you could find it anymore. Then there is Rainbow Shower. This came out as part of that kind of floral collection in 2021. Pierre Glacé is a classic. I haven't seen it in the stores, but it is online. Midnight Bloom. Midnight Bloom is a classic. It's the one that, people say is a dupe for, Cloud Baccarat Rouge. I really enjoy this scent, and you still can find it in the store. And if your store is out, check online because it's online. Blissful Garden. This came out, I want to say winter 2020, like January 2021, like January, February, but I could be mixing up my years, guys. So this was a limited edition scent. So, you can't really find it anymore. Sometimes it'll pop up. So, always check the semi-annual sales because, you never know what they'll throw in there. Okay, so then we have Spring Poppies. I have no clue when this came out. I can tell you that I picked it up at the winter SAS sale for Victoria's Secret after it ended. So I went into the store and, like that week after, both Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body Works, like they'll leave kind of what's left out on like in sections. And I was rumbling through there and found this, smelled it, and really liked it. So then there's Mango Temptation. This came out a few years ago with a set, and they actually brought it back last winter in a little travel set, and I actually did a whole video on that that had it in there. So I mean, I'm assuming they may or may not bring it back. I've seen it on Mercari. That's actually where I got mine for a really good price. So you can check around. Sliver of Sun. I'm not sure when this came out. I picked it up last year at the summer SAS. Then Desert Sky, another one that I'm not sure when it came out. I picked it up again at the summer SAS. Then Amber Romance. This is part of their signature collection. It's always available. If you don't have it in your store, check online. Okay, so next we have Solar Sands. Again, not sure when this came out. I picked it up last year. Then there's Temptation. This used to be a part of the signature line and was available. Then they got rid of it. This is a really great apple scent. I wish they would bring it back. I picked up mine. I think I bought it from a seller on Mercari for a reasonable price. Strawberries and Champagne. This is available now. The packaging is different, but you can find it online. I have not seen it in stores, but it is online. Bare Vanilla is the OG Victoria's Secret vanilla scent, classic, and just always in the stores. Then Cabana in the Sands. This came out last year, and it's just a really nice, fun summer scent. If I finished this and I found it again, I would definitely pick it up. But I mean, it's nothing like unique, but it is really nice smelling. Okay, next is Petal High. I picked this up last year, and I believe it came out earlier in the year. I got it like at the summer SAS. Really nice, fun floral scent. Pure Seduction, classic, signature vanilla Victoria's Secret scent, always around. Melon Drench, that came out this year. And of that collection, this was the only one that I kept. They had like a pineapple, a mango one, took those back. Had a blackberry one that when it finally made it to the store, I was able to smell it. Didn't like that either. So this is the only one that I ended up picking up, and I really like it. Then Berry Vanilla Golden. Um, you may be able to catch these around. They actually just kind of fell off the website. So, they may pop up at SAS. I like this collection. It was just okay. I actually keep this on in my yellow kind of containers that are sitting on my drawer. But I was using it for a video, so it was still out. So that's why it's in this section that's in my black from the black bin. But I usually keep it in the yellow, in the orange trays. Orange Flower Sun, really great scent. One of my favorite of that collection that they just brought out. Again, I actually keep this on my dresser, but it was out for a video, so I'm just popping it in here. And this is still around right now. Okay, I had to kind of squeeze this one in because it was just a one random one. So Floral Morning Dream, this came out the same time as the Orange Flower Sun. I liked it enough to have one. It's out right now. Didn't get a backup. Then we'll go right to left this time. So Pastel Skies came out along with that same collection, Pastel Sugar Skies. I mean, it's nice. If you like Cotton Candy Cloud or Boardwalk Taffy, it kind of has that kind of vein, but I like those better. And Cotton Candy Cloud is coming out again for Bath and Body Works this summer. So if I had to choose, I would pick that over this one. But I mean, it's not bad. Then Berry Elixir, they had like this, like kind of more perfume line that they came out with, hence the number. So Berry Elixir 16, Cherry Elixir 33, Rouge Elixir 2, Fleur Elixir 7. This was a couple years ago now. Um, but I really enjoy it. And you know, these to me are fun to wear, especially Berry, Cherry, and Rouge Elixir. I like them better when it's a little colder. Fleur Elixir, I think I can get away more in the summer, well, all year round actually. So these are what's in the black kind of 4-tier stand. And then next are what I have on my dresser in those 3 bins. Okay, so now these are the Victoria's Secret ones that I keep in my orange tray on my desk. So we have Private Sun Deck, which just came out very recently and is still in stores right now. This is my favorite one out of that group that came out. Then we have Amaretto Fizz. This came out towards the end of last year. I really enjoyed this. Did a couple scent of the days on this. Then Nectar Drip, that came out earlier. I want to say fall of 2022, if I'm not mistaken. Really enjoyed this. Got a couple backups. Then Pure Seduction Luxe. This was the winter flanker for Pure Seduction from 2022. And then Pure Seduction Golden is a flanker that came out, I think, late fall 2022 as well. Okay, and then we have Night Glowing Vanilla. This came out 2022, along with the next 3 they came out in a collection. So there's Sky Blooming Fruit, Moon Spiced Apple, and Star Smoked Amber. So these came out recently enough that I'm thinking there's a possibility you'll see it at SAS, but you never know with Victoria's Secret. And then Love Spell Golden was part of that golden collection that you've kind of seen throughout so far. And again, that came out in 2022 in the fall. And this is one of the love spells that I really like and keep, because if you've seen my love spell video, you know I'm not really generally a fan, but there are very specific ones that I like. This is one. Okay, so we have the Untamed collection. I can't remember when this came out. I want to say 2021. And this was, you know, one of the flanker editions that they come out with a couple of times a year. So I have Bare Vanilla Untamed, Velvet Petals Untamed, Love Spell Untamed, and Pure Seduction Untamed. And then this is the last golden, which is, you've seen all of them so far, Velvet Petals Golden. So, and again, that came out fall of 2022. Okay, so then there's the Heat collection. This came out last summer, summer of 2022. This still so far is my favorite flankers that I've smelled of the Victoria's Secret. So there's Velvet Petal Heat, Bare Vanilla Heat, Love Spell Heat, Pure Seduction Heat. Again, this is my favorite. I love Untamed as well. But this one still, no one has beat that. And then Bare Vanilla Luxe was like one of the flankers that came out at the end of the winter of 2022. And at first I was kind of like, this is just okay. But I actually grew to really enjoy it and ended up actually getting a backup. So we are almost done, just a couple more. Okay, so these are my last Victoria's Secret ones. So the Splash collection just came out a couple months ago. So it's still online right now. I doubt it'd be on sale at SAS, but they've been doing okay with sales this year. So, and then they'll give you coupons. So there's Pure Seduction Splash, Bare Vanilla Splash, Love Spell Splash, and Velvet Petal Splash. And I will tell you, my favorite of these, which was shocking to me, was Love Spell Splash. I really, really like this. And it's funny because I'm not a Love Spell fan, but this is my favorite Love Spell. It's just really good. I end up getting the lotion. And if you haven't seen my Victoria's Secret videos before, the Victoria's Secret lotions, in my opinion, the regular looking ones, not the ones from Pink in the fatter tubes. The Victoria's Secret lotions to me are not very moisturizing. So when I get them, it's really just for layering purposes for the scent. So I really like this scent that much. So if you are a Love Spell fan, I'm sure that you'll like this because I don't even like Love Spell, and this actually is my favorite one out of the four. So I just have a couple of pinks and then we'll be done. Okay, so we have Coconut Woods. I got my hand on this last summer 2022. I really like it. Just a nice sandalwood and coconut scent. It's not too heavy. I just really enjoy it. Bronze Coconut, they come out with this pretty often. The last time I looked, I didn't see it online, but it comes back pretty regularly. And then these are the flankers for their signature line that came for Pink's signature line that came out last year. And that is Warm and Cozy Glow, Fresh and Clean Glow, and Cool and Bright Glow. Cool and Bright was my favorite of this, but obviously I like them all because I have them. So that is it. So thanks you guys so much for watching my Victoria's Secret collection video. I will link my Victoria's Secret playlist in the card at the end of this video. If there's a particular scent that you'd like to, have a more detailed video about, let me know. If not, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys at the next one. Bye.